Just tell me.
Okay.
So, hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about Hioki battery tester. A lot of people used to test the resistance of the battery, like people say impedance of the battery used to test. So, the most of the people they use multimeter to get the resistance of the battery, but that is not actual and correct method to do the impedance testing for the battery. So, here we are introducing battery tester from the Hioki. That will give you the 3 milliohm to 3 ohm range for the resistance. At the same time it will give voltage 6 volt to 60 volt range of the instrument. So here while testing the battery everyone use four probe principal method. So in that what we will do in the especially in this Hioki battery tester, we used to pass. There is you can see here there is a tip pin, so it's work on the 4-wire principal method. So once you touch this battery tester, so what will happen, it will pass some AC millivolt to the battery. The other end it will sense the voltage. So whatever the difference between the voltage, that particular voltage and resistance will show on the display. That means we are getting the actual resistance of the battery. So here you can see there is a zero adjustment, there is a resistance setting. You can set the 3 milliohm, you can set 3 milliohm, 30 milliohm, 300 milliohm. Now we move to the 3 ohm. At the same time there is a voltage range. You can set voltage 6 volt to 60 volts. There is a 2 volt in the voltage range. So once you set the 60 volt and resistance around 3 ohm, so now your instrument is ready for the testing. Once you do the setting for the instrument, you can move to the testing. And the advantage of this instrument, there is a comparator method in this. Once you switch it on the comparator method, you set the resistance and voltage range like lower and upper limits. So what will happen while doing the testing, you no need to get the pass or fail. Once you set this comparator, you will automatically on the display it will show beep alarm if you are crossing the voltage resistance range above the setting. So this is the advantage of the comparator method. Other method, in this instrument it will save the reading up more than 6,000 data. Like you have banks of battery more than 6,000 in a single place. You can do the testing for each and every battery, and this instrument will save automatic all the data by naming 1, 2, 3 and the bank like A, B, C, D up to P. In each and every A to P there is a 500 reading you can save. So you can see here on the display there is a single A001 is there. Like that if you want to move like A500, similar you can change here A to P. So you can save up to around 8,000 data. So now we will move to the testing where I can just perform single testing for the battery. So just can you hold this, come this side and just show this to you. So I am testing here one single battery over here. So you can just check on the display, there is a resistance and voltage. You are getting on the display the resistance and voltage. It's already hold and it will move to the serial number 2. Now I will move to the other one. So here you will get again